Hi, Lee Phillips here. Again, what I want to answer is a question that I get quite often is, am I responsible for my parents' credit card debt when they die? And the answer is basically no, unless you've co-signed with them on their credit card application or something. You're not responsible. Now, their estate is responsible. And before you go issuing all the inheritances and all of that sort of stuff, the trustee, I assume you've got a trust. I recommend you have a trust. The trustee needs to go in and clear all of the debts out. And then whatever's left over, the net estate, is what can be distributed to the heirs. So the credit card companies have a claim against the estate, but not against the kids. You're not legally responsible for what your parents do. And hopefully they're not legally responsible for what you do either. So as adults, we're not responsible for each other. That's the short answer, and that's pretty much the complete answer. But it's a question I keep getting. Now, I think you should be using a trust. The trustee's going to have the discretion to take the accounts and apply them to pay the debts and that sort of thing. The debt that you are going to have, that you may not expect that you have, is if mom or dad are on Medicaid, that all has to be paid back. That's a can of worms. But credit cards should be pretty simple. Trustee pays them off before they distribute anything out of the estate. And also, if you don't have a trust, get our ebook on how to use a trust or something. Learn about trusts at least. They're a critical part of what you do, what the family does when somebody dies, mom and dad die. So make sure you get that, and don't forget to love us and like us and all that garbage. This is a pretty short one, but it's a question I keep getting.